Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today's reading is about Libra, zodiac Libra. What is going to happen with my dear Libra in July 2020? I'm going towards the reading. Okay, with your first card, this is the Two of Cups. It's mean soulmate card, lovers card, and life partner, your wife or husband. And this is upside down. That means that this person is not good for you. They are not your soulmate. They are not your friend. They are not your they are not good for you. You think that they are your lovers, but they are not. They are not good for you. They are deceiving you, or maybe they are backstabbing you. Something they are doing here, something, and you don't know that. Okay, they are not good for you. I think this is the person you are with now. In this moment, you are with that person. You are married with them, or you are in some kind of relation. You are engaged to them or something, and they are not good for you. And with Ace of Swords, something is not going to show their face. Somebody is not going to show their face. No clarity, no nothing, no truth, no truth revealing over here. Something is hidden. They are hiding something. They are hiding something from you, because they know if you know that thing or that truth, you are going to leave them, or you are going to punish them. You will be very angry because of that truth. Something is not right over here. They are hiding something. With this Ten of Swords upside down, I think that they had backstab you and do something at your back, and now you know that. Now this is going to reveal, or you already know that they are deceiving you. They are backstabbing you. They are doing something bad to you, and you know that now. And you are out of that stress, that this position stress, this cry stress. You are getting out of it with this card, or maybe you are still mourning over it. Yes, because this is upside down. When this card is upside position, you are getting out of it, and now you are not getting out of it. You are stuck over here. You can't do anything over here. You know that they are doing something bad, but you don't do anything, because of something, some problem. You can't do anything. You can't leave them. You can't punish them. You can't do anything now. Okay, with this eight of cups, yes, you are not able to leave them. You want to leave them because you know that they are not a good person. They have the mask on their face. They are telling you the lie over and over and over, and now you are fed of this situation, but you can't leave them because this card is upside down, and you can't leave them over here. You are stuck over here because of some situation. Maybe you have the children with that person, or maybe your parents told you that you don't leave them. Okay, or maybe they are your relatives daughter's son or daughter, or something. You are restricted over here. You are stuck over here. You can't do it. Okay, with this Knight of Pentacles, this is a very slow moving energy, but this is upside down. Okay, this energy is upside down. Okay, with this card, you are not able to move forward. You are stuck over here. You can't think. You are not able to think straight. Yes, your mind is stuck, is burdened, and you are in dark. You can't see anything. Yes, this position is stuck over here. You can't move anywhere now. You want Ten of Cups. You want happy home life with children, with husband, wife, with money, with love, with care, with passion, with security. Yes, Okay, you want the happy home life, and you want to fulfill your promise, but this is this queen of pentacles upside down. This is rule, and this all things, all desires, all dreams are ruined over here because of that person. That now you don't want to care, to take their responsibility, to care about them. You don't want to talk to them. You are very angry with this person, and you don't want to take this relationship. uh, you want to finish this thing here, and now you are in the position of choosing something. You have to choose two ways: rather you want to leave them, or you want to carry this relationship with them. Okay, you have to choose two paths. There are two paths, crossroads, and you have to choose one, and you are tied with uh, these both wants. But you can open these ties, but you are not worrying about it. You are thinking about something else. You are listening towards someone else. Okay, you are not taking this seriously. Right at this position, your mind is somewhere else. You are not thinking about this thing. Can you see where there is that red leaved trees? I think this is for your intuition, that you can see the way if you want to see it. Okay, you can see, because this color is orange color, and orange color is for fire, light. Okay, and you can see it. You can see your way towards your happiness, but you don't want to see it. You are listening towards some other person. You are thinking about something else. Okay, I want to clarify this card. Okay, this card clarify that you think that you are not as lucky, as fortunate, that you can get get out of this situation, that you can leave them, or you can go towards someone else. You can't protect yourself from this person, this particular person. You can't protect yourself with that person, because that's why you are not able to decide anything. You are stuck over here, like this. You are stuck over here, and you are afraid to decide something. You are afraid to think about to leave them. Yes, I think they are very powerful person, or some kind of gang leader, something, or maybe they are not like that person, but you are afraid of them, that they will do something bad to you if you leave them. Okay, and you are not happy with this situation. You don't want to live in this situation anymore. You want to leave them. You want to get out of here, go away from them, and you are not happy with them. Playfulness. To recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. Yes, universe are telling you that if you want romance back in your life, if you want to be happy once again in your life, you have to be like a child, like a youthful person, a youth. You know the youth is very brave. They don't think anything. They want a thing, and they go and get it. They are go getter. And now you have to like that person. Don't afraid of anything. Don't think of anything else. Don't think what happen if you do that, if you do this. Okay, think what you want, what is your happiness, what will make you happy. Okay, and go towards that thing, and don't think about this all situation. Relax your mind, watch movies, go towards stream, towards greenery, or play with your pets or your friends. Take spend time with your friends so that you can fresh your mind. If you want to leave this situation, if you want to be happy again, then you have to do this. Make the effort. Great love is worth taking the steps you are guided to take. Yes, you have to tell someone. If you want someone else, or if you want them once again, then tell that person, whoever that person is. If that is your previous person, or if that is your someone else, if this is someone else, then go and tell them that you love them, that you care about them, that you want them in your life. And you can see that this boy is kissing this girl, and they are a friend. Okay, and you have to tell them what you want from them, from this person or from someone else. Okay, separation. This situation going towards the separation. Okay, there is definitely separation in this relationship. Time apart from your partner is on the horizon. Okay, this lady is holding that man's clothes, and she is not letting him go, and he don't want to live with that lady anymore. She is very sad over here. I think she is sick because of some situation, some burden, and this person don't want her anymore. With this curtain over this window, he want to escape from this room, from her. And with this curtain, there is some kind of blockage, or maybe with this something is hiding over here that he can't do this. But there is separation in this situation. Okay, and release your ex. If your person wants to live with you, they have to release their ex, or maybe you have to release your ex. But there is nothing like that you have any ex. I think that they are having any ex, and they are still with them. They are not telling you that, but they are still with them. Yes, the time has come to clear your energy. Yes, you have to clear your energy, or your person have to clear your energy. Whoever have that other person in their life, the third party, they have to release them. That's when you are going to protect this relationship. Okay, with this butterfly, your person is not the person, not the one man's person. He or she is happy with more persons, more men, or more women. They like that. They are player like person. They are players. They don't want marriage or restrictions or boundaries over their selves. They want to clear it. They want to be a free person. This person, the butterfly person, is very beautiful, and they love money. They only love money. They want to do everything they want in their what they desire, and this person sucks your blood. This person is not the faithful person or loyal person to anyone. Okay, and with this angel of alchemy, miracles, and this card is upside down. The miracle card is upside down, and this situation, this is telling you that this situation will never lead to anything else. This will lead to only and only to separation, and you both are going to separate with each other. This is good for you both. If you want to be happy in your life, you both have to release each other. Okay, and yes, this is what I got for you, my dear Libra. In July 2020, you are going through this process. You know your person's reality, their truth, and you want to leave them. You are going to decide in this month that what you have to do, what you have not to do, and you get the solution over here. The solution is separation for you, both of your happiness. Okay, this is the reading for today. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe. If you want to know more about your situation, then please check out my previous videos, or you will see also, you will also see my future videos, and for that you have to subscribe and press the bell icon. That's how you can see my all new videos, and I surely tell you that you will get something from these videos for your situation. Okay, and with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye.